If your Windows update is stuck at 100%, following the instructions is a mistake. That spinning circle has been mocking you for hours, but waiting longer won't fix it. It is actually making things worse. Windows progress bars are notoriously bad at estimating time. Sometimes the system is just quietly unpacking a massive file in the background. The golden rule is to give it 2 hours. If it has been stuck at 100% longer than that, the update has officially flatlined. You have to ignore the warning and force a hard reboot. Press and hold the physical power button for 10 seconds until everything goes dark. Unplug the power cable from the wall for 1 minute. When you turn it back on, Windows usually realizes it failed and rolls back the changes. But if it keeps getting stuck in the exact same spot, your downloaded update files are corrupted. You need to nuke them. Boot into safe mode. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type net stop WUAUSERV to kill the update service. Navigate to the Windows Software Distribution folder and delete every single file inside. Don't worry, Windows will rebuild this folder cleanly. Finally, run sfc/scan now in the command prompt. This built-in tool repairs any core system files that got scrambled during the crash. And before you try updating again, check your storage. Major Windows updates need 20 gigabytes of free space, and if you are full, it will crash every single time. Thanks for watching. Feel free to comment below, like, and subscribe. Visit us at gwizit.com for more.